Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about how to set up and use the Crypto.com's DeFi wallet, how to purchase Cronos Coins, how to use Crodex to purchase other projects' tokens that's on the Cronos blockchain, as well as how to add a custom token to your wallet so you can see your newly purchased tokens. First, we're going to navigate to the App Store and search for Crypto.com DeFi wallet, and it's going to look like this. Now that we're here on the DeFi wallet, we're going to go to create a new wallet. Once you select this, you're going to read the terms of service and privacy notice. Once you've done this, check the box to acknowledge that you read both, then hit continue. Next up, we have your seed phrase, or recovery phrase as other people know it. Now this is a very important step. This is because seed phrases are essentially a private key to your DeFi wallet. Whoever has these seed phrases will have access to your wallet. So make sure you write down and store this in a safe location. Once you've done that, you're going to confirm your recovery phrase and select continue. Next up, we have a wallet name. This is completely up to you, but you choose to name your own wallet. Next up, we have select an avatar. This is going to show on the display screen of your wallet. Now we're all set up and your home screen is going to look like this. To purchase Cronos Coins, navigate to the buy button on your home screen. Note, you should already have an existing Crypto.com account and app for verification purposes. All you gotta do is complete the steps as requested, fill in your bank information and/or debit card, and proceed with payment. Once your payment is successful, you'll be able to see your balance on the home screen, and it'll look like this. Next, we're going to talk about how to purchase new projects tokens on the Cronos blockchain using Crodex. You're going to navigate to your dApp or your DeFi Wallet's browser. You can see the icon at the center bottom of your screen. Once you're there, you're going to navigate to your search bar and type in crodex.app. Once you're there, the home screen should look like this. Once you're here, make sure your wallet is connected. You'll know if it's connected by looking at the top of your screen. Now we're ready to trade. On the top bar, input the amount of Cronos coin you'd wish to invest into the new project's token. On the bottom bar, select the token you would like to trade. In this example, we're using Cronos Mars. There's two ways you can do this. You can navigate to the project's website and or group and copy the contract address from there. The second way you can do it is to manually type up the name, but beware of scams because there's multiple projects that use the same name in an effort to scam through DeFi methods. Now, you're going to navigate to the settings widget and manually adjust your slippage amount. In this example, the Cronos Mars slippage amount is between 10 to 12%. Now that we've changed our slippage amount, we input the Cronos that we wish to invest, and we selected the token we would like to receive in exchange for our Cronos. You can now confirm swap. Your wallet will ask for your confirmation before approving the transaction on the blockchain. Once the pop-up occurs, all you have to do is select confirm. Congratulations, your transaction was successful. Now we're going to talk about how to add a custom token to your DeFi wallet. You can see your newly purchased tokens. You're going to scroll to the bottom of your home page and select manage tokens. Once you do that, you're going to select import located at the upper right corner. The next step is selecting the proper blockchain, in this case, Cronos Beta. From here, copy and paste the contract address in the token contract address bar. Token name, token symbol, and decimals should auto-populate. Then you just select import token. Once you've done that, go back to your home screen and refresh the page. Hope it helps.